When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun.
Yo, we're here at Windang, trying to find this breakwater, and now
we're on Windang Beach. Pretty cool beach.
Yeah. Woo! I want to swim. Hey, are you okay, bro?
Okay. Said I would have brought some swimmers if I knew we were going to the beach.
You don't have any shorts?
No.
Just use your underwear, bro.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah. For a long time. Fishing day. Dito kami sa Windang ngayon. Yeah. Napapanood ko lang to sa YouTube. So sinearch ko yung place. Lalakad sila dun sa taas. Parang ang hirap kasi maglakad dun, lumulubog yung paa ko sa buhangin. Masyadong loose yung sand. Unlike dito, medyo firm. And look at that. Damn. Beach.
Walk with me. Let's leave the past behind. Walk with me. There's something else we need to find. Say you'll go, don't make me wait. There's no need to hesitate.
Oh, yung mga mag-fight sa bahay. Yung bahay ito mga hayop na ibon na ito eh. Okay lang. Okay.
Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand.
Ah, sige.
Let's find
Alam nyo ha, ito pakalayo ng breakwater. Still frozen?
Yeah.
I'll go get some water.
We still got these prawns.
Oh yeah. Let's just leave the other one. Yes. Yan nga. Ito na kami.
First time pa lang ni Wayne sa fishing, kaya nahihirapan pa siya sa mga batuhan. Dahil ako ang pinakamagaling dito, kailangan ko muna siyang gabayan.
Pag kalagitnaan na ng rod mo yung bitawan.
Open my eyes, I slept through the day. Slept through
Sige.
the day, feeling uneasy, I pushed it away.
Huwag mo papalo
Push
sa
it
bato.
away. Last
Yun!
night was fun, don't feel like today.
Ayos para.
Feel like today, let's do it again. Let's go.
Ayan,
again.
Wayne! Uy, Flounder!
Cause tonight I'm gonna take
Angas!
you out and live the dream that we've been talking about, so we can land and spend up all on those.
Mabit siya.
I wanna celebrate and have some fun tonight. I wanna show you
Yee!
tonight.
Yee!
So race it
Bitin po.
for all the good times that we'll have.
Angas! Ayan ah! Ganda lang ito yun!
Like the movies, rich people dreaming.
Yung drag mo. Sige.
Rich people dreaming.
Ano na?
Rich people dreaming.
Yun yung slack.
Dreaming. Might be the gin that's gone to my head. Gone to my
Tatakot siya.
First time makahuli.
Oo. Kunin mo, kunin mo. Hawakan mo ganun. Natatakot. Oh, yan oh. Yan ang huli ni Wayne. Nice. Good Marino. Oh, bonito, bonito, bro.
Stingray.
Stingray?
Normal stingray.
Woohoo! Woohoo! Adobo sa gata. Dumidikit ba? Nick, come on. I'll help.
Kasi baka maputo pagka ako. Tumamat ng tubig. Take care ha. Salamat natin. Kasi baka maputo pagka sasabay ko sa tubig. Kahanin mo lang ha, kasi baka maputo yung pa. Meron akong kwan, putulong ko na buntot, baka makakon yan. Baka mapitikan ka niyan.
What happened to your phone, Nick?
I dropped it down that hole.
Oh, shit. Goodbye, iPhone.
Maybe it's still there.
Oh, there. How we can get it?
Maybe ano ito mahal ah.
Oh shit, that's too deep, bro.
No.
You know what I reckon, Nick? Just accept that you lost your phone today.
Huh?
Accept it, bro. There's no chance to get it. At yun na nga, nahulog yung cellphone ni Nick sa sa ilalim ng bato.
Sa kapag dyan.
Buti na lang nandito si Sir Kid Marino para i-rescue si Nick. Ay.
Tayo na bumuka. Wala, kailangan natin lagyan ng pansit. Oh shit. It's already in.
Malapit na makuha ni Kuya.
It's already in. So, just change the position. It's already in.
Pasok na yun, Kuya. Poor boy. Second time.
Ikaw nga mag-light.
Nick, camera.
Pumasok na kanina eh. Bakit? Parang hindi makita. Mali yata yung area.
Yeah, Kuya.
Isip tayo ng ibang paraan. Pumasok na kanina.
How are we gonna get home? Fine.
We'll find a way. Yun nga. Pag hindi nakuha ni Nick tong cellphone niya, wala kaming mapa. Wala kaming ways. Hindi kami makaka-uwi. Hindi namin alam ang daan pa uwi. So we are trapped. Masabi mo rin ito kay Nick. Can you say about Nick? I know what's the solution, bro.
What?
Just accept it. Acceptance. Ways. May ways ka. Wala tayong data. So, sa halip na isda yung kinukuha namin, cellphone na. Cellphone na yung ulihin namin. Yeah, right, Nick? Instead of fish?
Yeah.
What's the best trick for this one? Kung may wire kasi
Mapapatigas yung ano. Hanap ako kaya. Gahanap ako ng wire. Dito. Hanap ako ng wire para may pampatigas. Basura. Ang dami mga nagkalat na sinker dito, oh. Paldo ka sa mga sinker dito, eh. Daming nagkalat na basura. Sana sa mga mamimingwit dito, pakitago nyo yung mga basura nyo, kasi kawawa naman tong lugar. pa nakuha ko yung pula eh.
Tikin siya eh.
Kaya na yan, kuya.
Tingnan natin.
Poor lad. Lapit na.
This one of us. Jumps. Jumps na. Nasaan yung knife pa? Tatabi natin. Kung siya. Jumps. Sapoy pa rin.
Good boy.
The only thing is like I don't want to tip it because
There you go, there you go.
hold this one.
Hold it, Nick. Hold it, Nick.
Take it.
Take it out.
Hold on.
Keep it. Thank you, Kuya Nick. That's why you don't need to worry if you got Filipino friends. Thank you, Kuya Nick. The best. Iba na huli ni Kuya Nick ngayon. Cellphone. Can you say bro?
What?
Say thanks.
I did say thanks.
Do it again, bro.
Thank
Speech.
you.
Do a speech.
No.
Come on.
I'd like to thank everyone for coming here today. Great fishing trip. Don't worry, Nick. It's only $100. Ayan siya, Nico. Nanguhuli ng crab. How's your fishing trip, bro?
Very good.
Good? You get bored?
Times.
Trees aren't green, the ocean is grey, sky is a vague blue, come my way. My room is a mess, it could use a hand.
Sandy.
My favorite TV shows to capturing. I know I must get it right. Must get back in the
Kain muna kami. Tapos lipat kami ng Wollongong. Hey, Australian boy! Backflip! Backflip!
left and right, wondering where my head's gone now. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems and all of my problems and
Welcome to Wollongong.
Wollongong White House.
That's the White House over there.
What's this?
Baby lighthouse.
Baby Lighthouse. Yeah.
That one's for the break wall and this area. The lighthouse is for everywhere else.
Sleeping Beauty. Naurat. Puro sabit eh. Tulog.
Race against time, and we're all runners. We were born to chase the tide. No matter where we are, no matter what we face, we're forever on our way. 'Cause we're runners, yeah, we're runners, and so we go.
Yeah, we're 20 minutes away from home. Just want to say thank you to Nick for taking us in Wollongong, Queenstown. Yeah, it's crazy. We don't catch anything.
All good.
Good. Hey, Wayne, did you enjoy our fishing trip today? Well, that's it for today. Hopefully soon we can catch big fish.
And at least you got to take home a big stingray.
Good guy Nick Marino gave us one stingray and help us to get Nicholas cell phone. He's a good guy.
Yeah, very nice guy. Mad respect to him. Go watch his stuff. Jeff will put his link in the description of the video. That's all I have to say.
See you guys. Yeah.